Welcome to Magic Horizons. Turn on the Easy Mobile using the on-off switch on the bottom of the glasses. Press the on-off switch until the blue LED lights up. If you wear distance glasses and they fit under the VR glasses, you should keep them on to enable you to see sharper. Put on the VR glasses from front to back. If necessary, open the Velcro fasteners on the side and tighten them again for the best fit. It's important to push the VR glasses slightly up and down with both hands after putting them on, in order to see as sharp as possible. The Easy Mobile has one controller. Pressing the home button for a long time will connect the VR glasses after they have been turned on. If the viewing direction has changed, or the green laser beam has shifted or is no longer visible, you can recenter everything by pressing and holding the home button. To start a program or VR application, point the laser beam at it and press the trigger button with your index finger. Proceed as follows to remove the VR glasses, especially if you wear distance glasses underneath. If you were using headphones, take them off first. With the Easy Mobile, pull the rear battery pack up over your head. Then, take off the VR glasses straight forward. After turning on the VR glasses, the Magic Horizons software starts automatically. The first thing you see is the main menu. Here you can choose between playlists, the training plan, and single application. In the main menu, you can set the language, your sitting or lying position to within 1 degree, and the volume. You can see the charging status of the VR glasses on the left. Alternatively, on the Easy Mobile, you can also change the volume on the right side of the controller. There are 2 ways to return to the main menu. 1. Press the Back to Main Menu door symbol with your index finger. 2. Press the back button on the Easy Mobile controller to go up 1 level to the main menu. In the Playlists main menu, there are 2 options to choose from. On the left, the preset playlists with default lists. On the right, the user playlists you can create yourself. Once you've selected a playlist, a play symbol appears in front of you. You start the playlist by looking at the play symbol until the green circle closes. Within a playlist, you can skip to the next VR application by pressing the trigger button on the controller. On the Easy Mobile, close a playlist by pressing the back button on the controller. To access the training plan, press on Training Plan. Start an individual session by pointing the green laser beam of the controller at it and pressing the trigger button with your index finger. On the Easy Mobile, end the training session by pressing the back button on the controller. The training sessions are always grouped into units of 10. The Single Application menu lets you select single applications that are particularly good for you. The single applications are arranged in groups: nature, binaural audio, meditations, and fantasy trips. When a single application is running, you can open the sub-menu in the Easy Mobile by pressing the trigger button. In the menu, select the audio mix, loop, play, pause, and volume by pressing the trigger button. Press the X symbol to close the single application. Alternatively, by pressing your index finger, you can select the X symbol for close and the M symbol for menu, hovering above the application. Our VR glasses are only to be used while sitting or lying with sufficient free space around you. The lenses must not be exposed to direct sunlight or very bright sources of light, as otherwise the displays may be damaged and the warranty will be void. Clean the VR glasses thoroughly only with suitable agents. Clean the lenses only with a dry microfiber cloth, as they may otherwise be easily scratched. The controller requires two 1.5-volt batteries. VR glasses' battery life is approximately 3 hours. The VR glasses are fully charged when the LED lights up solid green. If the VR glasses or the VR software malfunction, turn off the headset and turn it on again. We recommend that you also use the included headphones for an immersive listening experience. Please note our terms of use, in particular the health and hygiene information on our website. Thank you, your Magic Horizons team.